Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer your old projects to a new Canva Pro account. Whether you are switching accounts or upgrading, we will walk you through the simple steps to move your designs over easily. On your Canva dashboard, let's say this is your design and you want to move it to your new Canva Pro account. All you need to do is click Share and download the project. From here, choose the file type you want. Once you have selected it, go ahead and click Download. Once the download is complete, as you can see here, the project file is now saved on our device. Now we need to log out of the old account. Click the menu in the lower left part of the dashboard and then click Log Out. Once you are logged out, go ahead and log into your new Canva Pro account. In this example, we are now logged in and using the new Canva Pro account. Now we need to click the plus sign on the project, open the project and then click Add New, then click Upload Files. Select the file we downloaded from the old Canva account so that it gets added to the new Canva Pro account. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, it is now uploaded and available in our new Canva Pro account. And that is how we transfer old projects to a new Canva Pro account. With this method, we can keep all our important designs in one place without starting over,